exactly is that all about? This morning we have from the organizers of the Calabar Go Pink Day, Gloria Grinya, joining us on the Hit Breakfast Show. Morning, Glory. Welcome to the Hit Breakfast Show.
Good morning, UK.
You know we're pink, eh? You all black and green to come and tell us.
Don't worry. On Saturday, you're going to see pink.
All right, tell us what Calabar Go Pink Day all about.
Calabar Go Pink Day is a work to raise awareness for breast cancer. We work to raise support for breast cancer patients, the warriors, and even the ones that are already not aware that they are sick. So we are raising this awareness for every woman to know that they need to check themselves. That is what Calabar Go Pink Day is all about. This year Pink Day is going to be wonderful. So,
okay, all right. So, who are a part of this Go Pink Day? And who are part of this?
Okay, Calabar Go Pink Day is organized by Pink Africa, partnering with other NGOs and other organizations. And everybody is going to be part of it, both men and women, because there are a lot of things that will be going on that particular day. The participant can register online. You will see all the information you need, and you can also visit the partners that are already partnering with them, or you go to Pink Africa House, Mekenke layout, you see Pink Africa there, you can make your registration there.
But what is the significance of the Go Pink Day? Why is it significant, or why must we get involved?
Everyone have to get involved to check yourself and know your status in cancer wise, because cancer is something that is eating one up. You might not just know it's there until it's full blown. So it's good to know it early. That is why we are creating this awareness for everybody.
So early detection.
Early detection is the key, because when you see the lump or you feel this uneasiness in your bobs, you need to go and get yourself screened and be sure it's not cancer. And then that's why you can rule off the thought that it's not cancer. But if you just have those feelings, you must go and check yourself. Regular checkup is very, very important.
Okay, so these things you're talking about, is it going to cost us money? This is Calabar Go Pink Day. You're telling us to come out and get checked. Is it going to cost us money to get checked?
No. The screening for breast cancer, cervical cancer, and prostate cancer on 17th of this month, October, at Calabar Municipality is free of charge from 10 a.m. Every one of us that will be there, every person that will come out to that place will be screened free of charge. But after that day, you can, if you miss that day, you can go to Teaching Hospital. They have already given a very big discount, because this month of October is for cancer. So everybody is involved, both the doctors, everyone.
So let's talk about the activities themselves. Let's break it down. What will be done? You mentioned breast, cervical, prostate. Tell us, let's break it down one by one, and let's go that way.
Okay, on the 17th, everybody involved in the walk, Calabar Go Pink Day.
Okay, so we'll start with the walk.
Yes, with the walk by 6:30 a.m. We'll all meet at the Millennium Park, 1111. By 6:30, you appear with your black jean and your pink t-shirt.
Of course, pink.
And then everywhere will be so pink.
I remember last year I had pink hair.
Yeah.
I had to make my hair pink.
Yeah, this year on is going to be wonderful, because we have added more varieties of things to be done that day. So if as many of us that are registered and yet to register and get your black trousers, pink t-shirt ready, and a comfortable shoe for the walk.
So at 6
from
a.m.
6 a.m. you are at Millennium Park, and then we will take the walk from there and march to Calabar Municipality, where by 8:30 a.m. doctors will be addressing us and teaching every one of us
to health talk.
How to have your breast examination, self-breast examination for every month. You must have a date to check yourself, because even both men have breast cancer. I don't want to talk about that.
But it's good to mention it, because sometimes people think that when we talk about breast cancer, we're talking about just the women.
Yeah.
But there are some men who actually have breast cancer as well.
Yes.
So this is a conversation for all gender.
Yeah.
Okay, so continue.
Everybody that will be involved will be taught how to do self-breast examination, because we are now going to be raising ambassadors, so that you take it message to wherever you go to your community and be telling people, check yourself
and
out.
teach people.
Yes.
So the ambassadors will be men and women as well.
Yes,
because the men can check for their wives, their daughters, their sisters,
excellent,
that sort of thing.
Excellent.
Keep going.
The president of the foundation will be addressing the pink lady, Dr. Nchewe Ani, who is the brain behind this. She has after life. So she will be the one to address. She will give her address. Then by 9:45, breast cancer survivors will share their stories.
Okay.
You have to listen to these people share their victory stories. They are warriors, how they fought, how they conquer, even after the scar, which is their victory badge, how they are still surviving despite all the suffering and the pain. So they will be sharing their story, and everyone have to listen to them and share them up. So by 10:05, free breast cancer, cervical cancer, and prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is for men. So they have given us different halls for this, and there will be medical practitioners on ground to take care of
so there'll
all
be
this.
separate spaces for breast cancer screening, separate space for cervical cancer, for prostate cancer,
and then there'll be a place for cervical.
They'll check for cervical too at the venue.
Yeah, it will be done.
Oh wow!
there.
And all of this is free of charge.
Free of charge that day.
Remind us the date and the time, the location again.
Okay, we are walking from Millennium Park from 6:30 a.m. on 17th of October, and then when we get to Calabar Municipality, the hall, we are going to start checking free screening there.
I hear that you're going to be giving out some special bras. Talk to us about that.
Yes. Post mastectomy bra is for the survivors, the warriors who have had their breast removed. So this bra is exactly like the breast. When they wear it, you will not even know. So we are giving them for dignity. They will wear it for their self-confidence too. And we are calling on people to support this program. It's a program that touches life so much. So if you have not supported this Calabar Go Pink Day and free post-mastectomy bra, you can donate so that we can give women dignity back. So this brazier will be given to them free of charge. We have over 150 people already booked for this post-mastectomy bra, and people are still booking. So we are calling on everyone to just come donate, even if it's 1,000. Go to Pink Africa House and drop something. It could be anybody. Breast cancer can happen to anybody, and they didn't call for it.
So what happens if on that day a lump is found in one's breast?
Yes.
What happens after that?
Excellent question. If you are maybe paraventure, there's a lump, that's very good early dictation. There's no cause for alarm. You will just meet with Pink Africa, go to Pink Africa, and there will be something done for you. You go and register there with them. They will be the one to follow you up
And start your treatment.
And start.
So everyone should turn up on that day, and it's going to be
and
free.
if you know anybody who already have breast cancer and having self-stigmatization, keeping herself indoor and saying mine has finished, there is hope. Come out.
Give us your contact details.
Okay.
Give us your contact details so people can call for more information and clarification.
Okay, for more information and clarification, you go to Pink Africa House at Mekenke Layout, or you call this number 081.
Take your time.
081 82 55 9385. I'm taking it again. 081 82 55 9385.
Okay, those are the numbers for Pink Africa, for the Go Pink, the Calabar Go Pink.
Yes.
Day.